Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your search history on a school Chromebook. First, open your Chrome browser and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once in Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section on the left-hand side. Then, find and click on Clear Browsing Data to initiate the process. This is your first step towards managing your browsing information. Next, you'll see a pop-up window with several options. Here, you can choose the time range for the data you wish to remove, from the last hour to all time. Make sure to select Browsing History and Cookies and Other Site Data. For a more thorough clean, also consider checking Cached Images and Files, which can free up valuable storage space on your device. These three options are key. Now, let's explore the Advanced tab within the Clear Browsing Data window. This section offers more granular control over what you delete. You can deselect specific items like saved passwords or autofill form data if you wish to retain them. However, it's crucial to remember that even after clearing, school administrators often have tools to monitor and potentially recover your activity, so complete privacy isn't guaranteed. Finally, it's important to understand the limitations when deleting history on a school-issued Chromebook. While you can clear your local browsing data, school IT departments typically have administrative access and may retain logs of your online activity for extended periods. For temporary, unsaved browsing sessions, always consider using incognito mode. This ensures your activity isn't saved locally, offering a layer of privacy for that specific session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.